Former President Donald Trump is about to embark on a legal challenge unlike any he's faced before. And in order to tackle this 37-count federal criminal indictment he now faces, defense attorneys are expected to file a series of motions that could delay the process. One motion the legal team has already hinted it will pursue is allegations of prosecutorial misconduct by the special counsel Jack Smith's team. Former federal prosecutor and law professor Paul Pelletier explains that concept.
They've asserted that the prosecution took liberties that they shouldn't have taken. In other words, they've asserted that one witness was offered a judgeship in exchange for their testimony. Now, I'm not so sure there's any truth behind that, but it'll be motions like that.
The 49-page indictment accuses the former president of hoarding highly sensitive documents, then obstructing justice when the government tried to get them back. In one exchange, Trump allegedly said to his attorney, "Wouldn't it be better if we just told them we don't have anything here?" His current lawyers may argue that was privileged information between a client and his attorney. Prosecutors are aiming for a speedy trial, and the law requires a trial date be set within 70 days of the arraignment.
My office will seek a speedy trial in this matter, consistent with the public interest and the rights of the accused.
Legal experts believe any delay could be an advantage for the former president.
And remember, if he's the elected nominee, at least in his mind he could be, then he's never going to be prosecuted if he's elected president. Also, delay is his friend if another Republican gets nominated. He would want that person to be elected and ultimately be pardoned.
Now, the judge is the one who will set the deadline for when those motions need to be filed, and that's when the defense team will step in and file their motions. The prosecution will then have an opportunity, Veronica, to respond to those initial motions, and then once again, the defense will be able to come in and respond to that response.